Statistical inference. Statistical inference is the process of collecting sample data to make estimates of or draw conclusions about one or more characteristics of a population. Examples of statistical inference. Use the proportion of support for a candidate to the U.S. Senate out of a sample of registered voters in Texas to make an inference about the population proportion. Collect a sample of weekly grocery bills to estimate the average amount of money spent on groceries by a target population of potential customers. A parameter estimate such as the mean or the proportion of the population of interest. The confidence interval on a mean. Sample mean plus margin of error. The confidence interval on a proportion. Sample proportion plus margin of error. The margin of error represents the uncertainty on the parameter estimate at a given confidence level. Such NBSP, as NBSP, 95% NBSP.